Season's greetings, everyone. Brittany Reid here, and I just wanted to.
I'm telling you, I know what I
saw,
and I did it.
Guys,
you
listen.
had to have imagined it. You made it up in your head. No, you didn't.
To Claus.
Is she singing? Underneath the mistletoe last night.
No, you didn't.
I did. She didn't see me peek.
You should have been asleep.
Sis, you know how you get when you eat too many sweets. That has nothing to do with it.
No.
I saw Mommy
little
kissing
sisters.
Santa Claus.
You were in your bed all tucked in tight.
Why would you believe me? If only you could have seen.
It must have been a dream.
Mommy
She didn't kiss Santa Claus last night.
I'm telling you, she did.
You thought you saw.
No,
she
I didn't
didn't.
make it
I'm
up.
telling you, there's no.
Okay, if you don't believe me, I'll just go ask her myself.
Guys,
Yes, I will.
What?
Mom,
Wait, what?
Mom, I have a
You
question
can't
for you.
word.
Mom.
Wendi, come back. Mom, she's being
Wendi,
annoying again.
Mom.
Guys. I wonder how this one's going to turn out. Happy holidays, everyone.